Practicing yoga for just 15 minutes a day can yield numerous benefits for both the body and mind. Here are 10 benefits of doing 15 minutes of yoga every day. Number 1. Improved flexibility. Regular yoga practice can increase flexibility by stretching and lengthening muscles, tendons, and ligaments. Number 2. Enhanced strength. Yoga poses require engagement of various muscle groups, leading to improved strength and muscle tone over time. Number 3. Better posture. Yoga promotes awareness of body alignment and encourages proper posture, reducing the risk of back, neck, and shoulder pain. Number 4. Stress reduction. Mindful breathing and relaxation techniques in yoga can help reduce stress, calm the mind, and promote relaxation. Number 5. Increased energy levels. Yoga practice stimulates circulation and oxygen flow throughout the body, leaving practitioners feeling more energized and invigorated. Number 6. Improved balance and coordination. Yoga poses challenge balance and coordination, helping to improve stability and proprioception. Number 7. Enhanced focus and concentration. Yoga requires concentration and mindfulness, which can improve cognitive function and mental clarity. Number 8. Better sleep. Regular yoga practice can promote relaxation and alleviate insomnia, leading to better quality sleep. Number 9. Reduced anxiety and depression. Yoga has been shown to reduce symptoms of anxiety and depression by promoting relaxation, mindfulness, and emotional balance. Number 10. Overall well-being. By combining physical movement, breath awareness, and mindfulness, yoga promotes holistic well-being and a sense of inner peace and harmony. Incorporating just 15 minutes of yoga into your daily routine can lead to significant improvements in physical and mental health over time. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced practitioner, a short daily yoga practice can be beneficial for overall well-being. If you like this video, then don't forget to subscribe my channel. Become part of our growing community and never miss an upload.